Hi everyone! Welcome to Math with Miss Fudge. Two digits divide one digit. Let's master long division step by step, no stress. Today we're going to divide two-digit numbers by one-digit number. Now when you want to use the long division algorithm, these are the steps you need to follow. First you divide, then you multiply, then you subtract, then you bring down, and finally you repeat or you have a remainder. Let's see how the steps come to play. We want to divide 45 by 3. The first step is to divide. How many groups of 3 can I find in 4? I can find one group of 3. Multiply. 3 times 1 is 3. Subtract. 4 minus 3 is 1. Bring down the 5. It gives us 15. Then you repeat. Go over from the beginning. How many groups of 3 can I find in 15? I can find 5 groups of 3 in 15. Now we multiply. 3 times 5 is 15. Subtract. 15 minus 15 is 0. We cannot repeat because we don't have any other number to bring down and we do not have a remainder. So our answer, which is the quotient, is 15. 64 divided by 4. Divide. How many groups of 4 can I find in 6? One group of 4. Then you multiply. 4 times 1 is 4. Subtract. 6 minus 4 is 2. Bring down. Bring down the 4 right next to the 2. It gives us 24. How many groups of 4 can I find in 24? 6. Multiply again. 4 times 6 is 24. Then we subtract. 24 minus 24 is 0. We don't have any other number to bring down, so we do not repeat the process over. And here we do not have a remainder because we have a 0 here. 86 divided by 7. First we divide. How many groups of 7 can I find in 8? I can find one group of 7. Multiply. 7 times 1 is 7. Now subtract. 8 minus 7 is 1. Bring down the 6 right next to the 1. Then we repeat the process. Divide. How many groups of 7 can I find in 16? 2 groups of 7. Multiply. 7 times 2 is 14. We subtract. 6 minus 4 is 2, and 1 minus 1 gives us 0. So we do not have a number to bring down. We can't repeat the process, but here we have a remainder. Remainder 2. 67 divided by 5. First divide. How many groups of 5 can I find in 6? I can find one group of 5 in 6. Then multiply. 5 times 1 is 5. Subtract. 6 minus 5 gives me 1. Bring down. Bring down the 7 right next to the 1. Now we repeat. Because we bring down, we have to repeat the process all over. How many groups of 5 can I find in 17? I can find 3 groups of 5 in 17. Now multiply. 5 times 3 is 15. Then subtract. 7 minus 5 is 2. 1 minus 1 gives us 0. So we cannot repeat because we don't have a number to bring down anymore. Here we have a remainder. Remainder 2. If you finally get long division, give this video a thumbs up and share it with a friend who needs help too. Remember to subscribe to this channel. Until I come your way next time. Bye!